Hey you guys, it's Brianna here, and I know I haven't been on in a while. Today I am taking a break. It's a Monday, and we are staying in my hometown for a staycation. We're staying at the casino in town on the beach, and it's called the Silver Slipper. Most casinos are on the beach, but I've never stayed here before, and I want to give you guys a tour. My boyfriend, my brother, and I are all staying here, and I'm super excited. This is a newer casino hotel, and I want to show you guys my honest view. Look at this wood though. It's not real, but it's cute. So let's go ahead and start with the bathroom. So this is the entryway and sneak peek of the room. Right here is a closet, and there is no refrigerator or microwave. I love this so much. So this is cool. I don't think this opens, but actually none of this, all this is fake. So this is the huge bathroom mirror. Love it. Love it, love it. I'm actually just wearing comfy clothes. There's a toilet hidden right there, and then there's just a shower. And there's Bath and Body Works, and this goes deep, man. Super cool. And then let's go to my favorite part, the beachy bedroom. Look at this. I had to film this on my phone. I was just like, what? This is so nice. So yeah, there's deep drawers, which we most likely won't use because we're only gonna be here a night. And then we have huge mirrors. Again, I love big mirrors. And then we get a view of the front of the casino, and these close, you just pull them down. Very beachy. And this random chair, which doesn't match the room. But other than that, this is such a nice room, and I love the ceilings. This is better lighting for you guys. Like, I want my house to look like this. There's my brother, Joseph. And I'm in love, like literally in love with this room. So I just wanted to do like a quick kind of video on this because I'm just so obsessed with this room, and my goal this year is to travel more and stay in more hotels and just see things, and I'm taking a break, so I'll be here all night. So if you have any questions, just put them down in the comments below, and we will see you guys later.